Introduction to Machine Learning, Unveiling the Magic of Learning Machines. Welcome, everyone, to the fascinating world of machine learning. Today, we'll embark on a journey to understand this powerful technology that's revolutionizing the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. What is machine learning? Imagine a computer program that learns and improves on its own, without being explicitly programmed. That's the essence of machine learning, ML. It's a subfield of artificial intelligence, AI, that empowers computers to learn from data, identify patterns, and make predictions without human intervention. Think of it like this: when a child learns to ride a bike, they fall, adjust, and eventually master the skill. Similarly, ML algorithms analyze data, make mistakes, refine their approach, and become progressively better at their tasks. Fundamental concepts of machine learning. Data, the fuel that drives ML. Data can be numerical, textual, images, or even sound, and it's the foundation upon which algorithms learn and make predictions. Algorithms, the recipes that guide the learning process. Different algorithms are suited for different tasks, such as classification, prediction, or clustering. Models, the learned representations of the data. Imagine them as maps that capture the underlying patterns and relationships within the data. Training, the process of feeding data to an algorithm and refining its model. Think of it as the child practicing on their bike until they find their balance. Evaluation, measuring the performance of the trained model. This involves testing the model on unseen data to assess its accuracy and generalizability. Real-world examples of machine learning. Recommendation systems, the algorithms behind suggestions you see on online platforms like Netflix or Amazon. They analyze your past preferences and predict what you might like next. Fraud detection. Machine learning algorithms can sift through vast amounts of financial transactions to identify patterns indicative of fraudulent activity. Applications of machine learning. Healthcare. Diagnosing diseases, predicting patient outcomes, and developing personalized treatment plans. Finance. Managing risk, optimizing investments, and detecting fraudulent transactions. Manufacturing, predicting equipment failures, optimizing production processes, and ensuring quality control. Transportation, optimizing traffic flow, developing self-driving cars, and predicting travel times. Remember, machine learning is a powerful tool, but it's not magic. It relies on quality data, careful algorithm selection, and responsible implementation. Ethical considerations are crucial in ML. Biases in data or algorithms can lead to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. The field of machine learning is constantly evolving, with new algorithms and applications emerging every day. Conclusion: the potential of machine learning is limitless. It has the power to solve complex problems, improve our lives, and shape the future. As we delve deeper into this fascinating field, let's remember to wield this power responsibly and ethically, ensuring that machine learning benefits all of humanity. Thank you. I hope this lecture has sparked your curiosity about machine learning. Feel free to ask any questions you might have, and let's continue exploring this exciting world together. Additional resources. Machine Learning Crash Course by Google. Link to Google. Stanford's Machine Learning Course. Link to www.coursera.org. MIT OpenCourseware, 6. S191 Introduction to Machine Learning, link to ocw.mit.edu. I have tried to incorporate visuals where appropriate to enhance the content. If you have any specific requests for visuals, please let me know.